for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Chrysler 200. This midsize sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, Uconnect hands-free group, remote keyless entry, brake assist, brake and park interlock, tachometer, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.